In our third video of our calculation series, what we're going to look at is how we actually multiply two numbers together. So in this case here, we actually have our two numbers, 4 and 5. We want to multiply them together. So we simply go into the multiplication cell, which is D4. We type in equals B4. Now in this case, the multiplication symbol is actually Shift 8. So you'll see the star on the top of the 8 key. We need to get to that. So you simply go Shift 8 and that will actually insert that. Type in C4, hit enter, and you can now see that we've got the two multiplying together. So if I said I wanted 5 times 5, it then gives me a multiplied value of 25. An alternative place where you can actually put the star symbol in, so that's what is your multiplication, is you can actually use the star on your keypad. So there is a star just above, usually it's above the 9 key, and you just click on that and it will give you the same result.